Hey everybody, Susan Lenart here. I've been a jeweler and an educator for over 20 years. I am teaching a free workshop called Soldering Simplified, where you really can take your creativity and bring your own personal sacred objects into soldering. So I actually make things simple and show things simply. And I always encourage building your own line. I am there talking about the philosophy of soldering and how to get right to the point, and also about creating just one simple technique that can bring you into building and inspiring your own work. So whether you're just a beginner or you've been a jeweler for many, many years, this workshop could help all. I'd love to see you there. It's August 22nd at 12 noon on Thursday. And so go ahead and grab the link below, and you can sign up. If you are signed up, you'll be able to get the course emailed to you. This is private. So I hope to see you there. It should be really fun and inspiring for you.